Want to boost your online store with trending Shein products? In this 2025 updated guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to connect Shein with Shopify step by step, so you can streamline importing products, syncing inventory, and start selling fast. Let's get started. First is open your Shopify account. Click the settings. In the settings, click the general. In the general, click the Shopify App Store. You will go to the other tab. Now here search the Robo Product Importer. After searching, click Install. Click again the Install. Now here click Get Extension here. Next is click Add to Chrome. And lastly click Add Extension. And that's it. You've now connected Shein with Shopify in just a few easy steps. You're all set to start importing products and making sales. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick e-commerce tips.